Ahead of the Greater Hyderabad municipal elections coming up soon, political temperatures are rising in Telangana. The ruling Telangana Rashtra Samiti is locked in a heated war with the BJP, which is resurgent after a recent prestigious by-poll win in the Dubaka constituency and a good show in the 2019 general elections. Telangana Chief Minister KCR's daughter K. Kavita has taken on the BJP-led centre, accusing it of stepmotherly treatment of Telangana. She claimed that the BJP has done nothing for Telangana during COVID and the recent floods. She in fact accused the Modi government of stalling flood relief distribution. Kavita even said that the BJP's national policy is against people. The BJP, of course, has defended and said that the KCR government seems insecure with the imminent possibility of the BJP's rise across the state. The BJP in its statement also said that KCR's attack on Modi is nothing but saber-rattling. The bitter war of words comes a day after KCR announced that he would be meeting opposition leaders to form something of an anti-Modi front in the second week of December. The agenda of the meeting will be to protest alleged anti-poor policies of the Modi government at the centre.
BJP has done nothing for Hyderabad. In the last 6 years, TRS government has spent thousands of crores of rupees in the development of Hyderabad, whereas BJP has done literally nothing, not even for corona crisis, not even for the recent floods that Hyderabad had. Instead of helping our people, they are in fact stalling the government to help people. Till yesterday afternoon, our government was distributing 10,000 rupees for the flood affected families. BJP and Congress both complained and made sure that that was stopped. I mean, if they can't do anything, when the state government is doing something, it is their minimum responsibility to be supportive of the state government. They're not doing that. People of Hyderabad know and understand that fact, and I'm sure in these elections, people of Hyderabad will stand with TRS party.
India Today's Ashish is with me live from Hyderabad. Ashish, familiar political temperatures rising in Telangana, ahead of the, the municipal polls. The TRS versus BJP flashpoint is obviously going to increase. In fact, it has been escalating since the Lok Sabha elections last year. But very interestingly, Ashish, as you first reported, KCR, the Chief Minister, is planning to hold this this meeting of anti-Modi forces in the second week of December. Very interesting. What is all that about?
Yes, Shiv, you are absolutely right. Again, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who happens to be the President of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, the ruling party of Telangana, he, while addressing his Parliamentary Affairs Committee and Legislative Affairs Committee yesterday, he announced that he will go national against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he alleged that central BJP government is anti-people, anti-poor government, and he will expose BJP nationally. He also announced that in second week of December, in fact, he will hold a grand meeting here in Hyderabad where all the major opposition party leaders will participate in the meeting. However, we have not got any detail that who all have either accepted his invitation or who all will participate in that meeting. But yes, KCR has made it clear that he'll hold a meeting of all opposition parties against Narendra Modi government or BJP government. On the very other hand, if you see, BJP has sent its National General Secretary known as election strategist to Hyderabad, who handled and ensured BJP victory in Bihar Assembly polls to manage municipal election polls in Hyderabad. So clearly BJP is also putting all its heavyweight here in Hyderabad. At the same time, KCR has also realized the emerging factor of BJP, and he has announced that he'll challenge Narendra Modi nationally.
Thanks, Ashish. Very interesting political developments coming in Telangana, and we're going to keep a track very closely of them. The Telangana political scene is very important to us here on India Today. It's something that we've been covering very closely since the Lok Sabha elections last year. We'll get you all the updates here on India Today. Thanks, Ashish.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.